Now let's talk about how you can stop WhatsApp notifications on the Apple Watch. So let's get into it, right? So what you have to do is to open up or grab at first the iPhone, which is paired to your Apple Watch. So no Apple Watch settings whatsoever. Everything will be managed on the iPhone. And in here, just locate the Watch app for all of the watch related settings. And from the selection, choose notifications. When you get in here, you can manage some toggles at the beginning. Then you have some apps, which are at first we have the list of installed apps on the Apple Watch, and those can be managed, which is cool and everything. But below, there is a second list of apps which do not have a dedicated version on the watch, but can still deliver notifications from the iPhone. And Snapchat is very likely going to be part of this list. So if that's the case, just turn off Snapchat in here and you will ensure that even though the notifications will still be delivered to the iPhone, they will not be redirected to the actual watch, right? So this is probably something that you want. Perhaps you want to keep the notifications on the iPhone, but just not on the watch. For that, just turn off the Snapchat in here on WhatsApp, whatever the icon is here. Just turn it off and it will be like that. It will stay the exact same way. However, if you want to, you can also turn off WhatsApp notifications altogether on the iPhone. For that, you just need to open up the actual iPhone settings for now. And again, in the notifications, find WhatsApp and just turn it off or tweak it. And this will not deliver on the iPhone and of course not on the Apple Watch as well. So these are the settings. Let me know below in the comments if there are some things which didn't work or some questions you might have. Go ahead and just leave that as a comment below. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial in the future.